Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade chocolate frosty. All you need is 1 container of Cool Whip, a half gallon of chocolate milk, and 2 cans of Eagle brand milk. First, put the container of Cool Whip in a blender. Now add in the cans of Eagle brand milk. Try not to spill any. A container of Cool Whip and 2 cans of Eagle brand milk. You can add the chocolate milk now. The reason why I always save the chocolate milk for last is because my blender isn't that big and it can barely fit all the ingredients, and sometimes it can't, so just in case it can't fit it all, I do the chocolate milk last and I just don't pour all of it in if it can't all fit. I added the chocolate milk now, so now just blend it together. I have an old blender, so there's some cracks in it. Oops. There, now that's all. Now all you have to do is freeze it overnight, so it'll become a frosty. Of course, if you don't want a frosty, you can just drink this liquidy and it tastes really good. And then put it in the freezer overnight and it'll become a frosty. Put them in the freezer for about 12 hours and then show you what they look like when they're done. Now that I've waited 12 hours, it's turned into frosty, but as you can see, it's pretty hard. So let it thaw for about 30 minutes before you eat it. It's been about 30 minutes, so now it's nice and soft. Now all you have to do is eat it.